Hi, I'm Mom and welcome to MomDas Life Handmade. My channel is all about doing DIYs, lots and lots of DIY, trash to treasure, high-end tubes, everything related to home within budget. And if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel, look around, you'll like the content. And do hit that little bell icon beside the subscribe button and then select the ringing bell icon so that you're notified each time I post my video. Today I'm going to share with you a wreath for the season for the coming fall. It is a little different, it's unique, it's unusual and you're going to like it. It's cute, it's spooky, it's vibrant with colors and it's funny too. This video is part of the Unusual Wreath Challenge that is being hosted by my dear friend Kiki from the Kiki DIYs channel. I'll put a link to Kiki's channel in the description box of my video along with the playlist that she has created for more interesting ideas. I hope you enjoy this video. Let's go ahead and get started. For this DIY, I have taken a piece of cardboard. Now this is a long piece of cardboard and I folded it into half, like lengthwise, so that this end is open and it comes in alignment with the lower part, like this, neatly folded into two halves. Now my cardboard is approximately 11 inches now and 6 inches wide. So initially it was 22 inches by 6 inches. I folded it to get 6 inches by 11 inches long. Now your cardboard or your frame can vary as per however you make it. Now I'm going to take a scale and make a cone. Now while making a cone, I just mark it here and similarly on the other side. Now you see I left a wider base. It is not pointed because it will be difficult otherwise, so I kept a little wider base. And another thing to notice is the wider end of this triangle is the open side. This is the folded part of the cardboard. So now I'm going to cut these two layers together with a sharp knife, never with scissors. I have always said whenever working with cardboards, use sharp knife to cut it and not with scissors because it will destroy the strength of the cardboard that way. Cardboards are easy to cut, just be patient and use firm movements of the hand. See, I've already cut through so many layers. Now this is how my cardboard frame for the wreath has come out. Now I have taken some of these fabric. These are recycled from the grocery bags which come, and I'm using some in white. I have cut them in 1.5 inch strips, thin strips. So there is in white, the soft sunny yellow, pale orange and very little red. So I'm going to start gluing this onto my frame. So I'll just glue it over my frame. First the bottom portion like this and then go about wrapping it up. So I'm going to start with the white and then in successive colors. Now after white I start with yellow. So I'm using some tape to stick it together. Now finally the red one right on the top, and I close it with some clear tape. Now here I have my candy corn ready. Now I'll show you the pocket that is formed here, because I kept the open base of the triangle, the wider base of the triangle, so it forms a pocket in which I can insert things. So this forms the base of my unusual wreath. Next I have taken this cardstock paper. It's in deep aubergine color and has got a shine, a glaze over it. On the back side is white. It's basically part of a chocolate box cover. So I, with the pencil, have sketched the face of a cat, and I'm going to cut this out. Now I have this deep colored cat face. Now I also have this googly eyes but that makes it look cute and not scary. So let's see, we'll try making a scary cat, because cat eyes are very different. So I'm just going to make a petal like this. I took a white small piece of paper, folded it, and have cut this out. These are not round, these are little elongated like the petals of flowers, and so I have got two such pieces. I'm taking three colored felt pens, black, light green and dark green, and let's make cat eyes. First the central slit in black, surround it with light green, and then give an outline of dark green. Now let's see which one looks better. I think this looks more sinister. Ooh, this looks groovy. So I'm going to glue this here. Slightly slanting. Very groovy. Next I take a popsicle stick. It was already painted in orange, but you can put any color, and I'm just going to glue it right at the back of this so that I can insert this in my wreath base. So I have my cat face. Similarly, I'll make a small little banner, another small popsicle stick, and I'll take a small paper for a banner. I've taken a pale yellow paper and I'm going to just write simply hi. I'm gradually tapering things down because I want to make the banner like this. So let's cut this piece out. You see, I've cut this like this so that it's just like it's flowing in the air. The air is blowing this banner. So I'm going to glue this as well. Let's keep the cat and the banner aside to dry and take the wreath form. I've got some hay here and I've cut them into manageable sizes. And remember the pocket that we made here? That was the reason why I made the pocket. So I'm just going to poke all this hay in. I had done this before and I lost the clipping, so I'm doing it again. So all this hay in, some dangling out, some standing up. So I'm just going to poke them all in. So once the hay is in, I'm just going to poke in the cat on one side and the banner on the other side. As if the cat is looking through this hay. Now I have some spiders. I'm going to dangle them here, or maybe just glue them. So I found a black little ribbon and made a simple bow out of this, and I also had some feathers, so I'm just going to glue the two feathers together here like this, and then add the bow here. And then I just don't want to miss my googly eyes, so I'm going to glue them together here to look like a mummy face. So I think my wreath is ready, my unusual unique wreath for the fall and the Halloween. The only thing is to add an attachment for hanging it. I want to share with you another smart thing that I did. In the pocket I just added this paper clip, and I dangled a little loop with a yarn, and I can hang it so easily. Now on my wall I already have this empty frame that I use for decor, and I'm going to hang my wreath inside this frame. So here is the final look of my unusual unique wreath for this fall and the coming Halloween. I think this is spooky, cute and lovely for the Halloweens. A cat in a candy corn with hay and fall elements. I think this is really spooky cute, or spooky cat. I love the cat's eye, the hay, it's peeking through the hay, and there's a high in green and a creepy handwriting. There are spiders, black feathers, black ribbons, and a mummy kind of face. I think altogether it looks really nice. I love how it looks inside the frame. Actually, it looks just awesome when placed inside the frame. I think this is just so good. Thank you so much everybody for your time. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please share this video, write down your comments. I love reading them. Subscribe to my channel and support me, and I'll see you very soon in my next DIY, in my next video. Until then, stay happy, be creative and be positive.